What's going on, guys? Welcome back. It is spring. As you can see, the trees are blooming, the flowers are blossoming, and you know what the best part about it is? It officially marks the beginning here in the Northeast, riding season. Riding season. So springtime is the mark of riding season. And riding season means you get to create new memories that you have on these two-wheeled machines, from meeting new people, from experiencing new places, and discovering new opportunities. And this spring is no different. 4 years ago, I started this YouTube channel, not knowing what I was doing. But like spring, I grew, I learned, I experienced. And this marks 4 years that I've been on YouTube, 4. And it's been a fun ride so far. And it's just the beginning. So below, let me know when you started watching my channel. I'd be curious. When the opportunity arose and I had a chance to work with this company, I jumped on it because I do have some of their products. What company is that? First Manufacturing Company. They're out of New York, Long Island. So First Manufacturing makes these basic vests like this. They also do custom vests, canvas vests, twill vests for men and for women. They also make chaps. They also make leather pants. They also make jean jackets. You name it, anything motorcycle apparel, they make it. Gloves. But when the opportunity arose, like I said, to work with these guys, I'm gonna take full advantage of it. Because first off, they're an American company. They're right out of New York. Literally, if there was no traffic, probably only take me about 45 minutes to an hour, but I have to cut through New York City to get to Long Island, and that's just a nightmare. Second, I really like their products. Most of their vests are made with high quality leather like this. So this is the vest that I used from First Manufacturing Company. This model is called the Gunslinger. It's a very basic vest. Pockets, no zips, 2 inside pockets for your carry conceal, 2 outside pockets. Right here just has a button. And on the back, when you get it, obviously, it's going to be all blank. Nothing on the back. So this is a very basic vest that I got from First Manufacturing Company. So First Manufacturing Company just doesn't make basic vests just like this, but they do have a section where you can customize a vest. You could tailor it to how you like it, from pockets to color, to material, to the color of your bike if you even want it to be, to the color of this blue. The options are limitless. And that's why I think I might get myself a custom vest. So if you're thinking about picking up a new vest, new gear, I'll leave a link below to First Manufacturer down below. And if you decide to pick something up, this is probably one of the biggest discount codes I have right now. But if you decide to pick something up, use my code HudsonMoto and you will save 25% off your purchase. You know what 25% off? That is a lot. Now think about it. You buy a $100 vest, you save $25. You know what you can do with that $25? Full tank of gas and you're gone. You buy a couple items, it adds up to $300. You know what that can buy you? That's $75 off. That's a tank of gas, food in your stomach, 2 bottles of water, and you're gone for the rest of the day. Your wife will be calling you, wondering where the hell you are. If you like today's video, guys, please hit that like button. Also, right next to the like button is a subscribe button. If you consider subscribing and you do hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification. Every time I upload something, the good old YouTube will let you know. So let's get out and ride this spring. Let's make new memories, let's meet new people, and let's create some new opportunities for everyone. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.